Today, we got Dylan's Impreza here. There's Dylan. I'll give you a couple updates on Dylan's car. My hair looks nice. He's going in to get the new part that we're going to be putting on today. But, so here's what's been done so far. So as you remember, Dylan's car, we got the wheels, we got them on. We had the fog lights tinted yellow at Tint My Ride. We did my windows. We got the tint strip done. Got the drip guards on there, all the windows tinted out. Got the tail lights tinted, look nice. This tail light had a little defect after we got back. It started to peel right here, but I called the place and it's going in this week. And they're gonna redo it. So yeah, so here's what's going on it. We're putting a lip on it right now. And we're gonna do it the OG way, right Dylan?
Yep.
With no jack. That's why we got the car parked on the bank like this.
Fuck a jack.
So we can get under, we don't need a jack. So we can get underneath it and screw it on. Alright, so what we did is we put the push clips through in the center here first to line it up, and we're going to start on the end over here. We'll put the screws in the end of the bumper, because that'll give us a good lineup, and then we'll come around. This is a nice lip actually, and it came pre-drilled for where they want you to put the screws. So I figure out where the screws are. Here they are. What do you think, Dylan? Should we just leave it like that?
Oh yeah, totally. Let's just fuck it all up.
They give it that broken drift style.
Yeah.
You know? Because why the hell not? Oh, they gave us push clips.
Oh.
We'll put those in after. Jesus.
Jesus fuck.
Alright, so we'll come like here, huh? Like so. Dylan, who put these wide ass wheels on your car?
I don't know, man, but good thing I have it at an angle, otherwise.
That looks good right there. I like that right there. Oh, it actually marks. This is a really nice lift, actually. This is much nicer than the one that I've had on like 4 different cars. That was intended for a WRX, but it was on a Eclipse, and then an Ultima, and something else that had that lip on. I can't remember.
Fuck. Genius! Let's put different parts on our vehicles.
Right. Well, this side we might have to turn the wheel the opposite direction now, because you know.
Oh, so you can get your drill up in there?
All up in it.
All up in it? All up in there?
All up in there. Dang, this is gonna be dope.
Damn, Daniel. Back at it. Oh, you gotta turn it on. Because it has that wheel lock. Let's put that in there. But make sure the doors are unlocked. She a little squeaky today.
That's just the brakes that's holding it.
Yeah, the brakes are a little squeaky. Probably wet. Damped up.
Damped up.
They're all damped up.
Damp Skippy. You know? Aye. Miss Jean Charlotte. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of very mathematical measurements that are required in installing one of these lips. So unless you're a highly trained professional with all the proper tools, such as a lawn with a bank in it and a screw gun, I wouldn't suggest trying this at home. It's tight. Ooh. I like it like that. You know?
That's because you like it loose, that's why.
Ooh. Well, go with what you're used to. You know?
I guess.
Look at that Camaro sitting there. Dirty. Dirty though.
That bitch dirty as fuck.
Needs a bath. Poor car.
I mean, you were supposed to wash your car with me yesterday, but you know, somebody had to fucking abandon me.
I didn't abandon you. I took the kids to the fireworks.
They didn't even like it.
Johnny, or Ava did.
Well, Johnny didn't. He was like, this is fucking gay.
Ooh. There's a little Bondo right there. Just a little.
That's because he fucking spreaded it like a
OG.
like a whore.
Spread that shit. Don't be running into shit and tearing this thing off. I know that's what, like, I know it's a rally car and stuff, but
You know, that's what we do with rally cars. We run into shit.
Them screws I just had. Oh my god, lawn problems.
See, your bright idea.
This is not a good garage floor, clearly. I need to mow my garage floor. Oh, there they are. Cleverly disguised as screws. We probably don't even have enough recording time on there to fucking finish this project.
Well, you got about fucking about 5.5 minutes
Dang!
left, so you better make it skippy there, Skippy.
Oh, I'm making it super skippy. But the nice part about this lip is it doesn't like, it doesn't really require you to, you don't have to take anything off the car. Like, it uses like existing push clips underneath, and it gives you these nice new screws. We may end up using some extra screws that aren't provided, because right here they didn't give a hole, and there's a little
Droop.
in it. And you know I don't like droopiness.
Who likes droopiness? Droopiness ain't a good thing. Excuse you, rudeness. You know, these flies are a bunch of whores.
It's because the cows are out today.
Fuck them cows. Why don't they go bother them motherfuckers?
I don't know. Where'd you get this lip again?
Off the internet.
I know, but was there like, I mean, I know obviously we ordered it through eBay, but was there like a store name or a brand that we can?
No. It's probably JDM.
That looks nice, dude.
It's probably JDM, to be honest with you.
They didn't even give us enough screws.
They did?
They didn't.
Oh.
We're lacking.
Well, they gave us push clips. Probably put them bitches in, you think?
Well, no, I still have to screw this part.
You probably lost the goddamn
No,
thing.
I did not. I did not. I don't lose stuff.
Oh, yeah? How come we just lost them earlier? And then you're like, oh, here they are. Oh.
I know what you're talking about. Where did... I had some stainless steel zip screws. Where did I put them though? Are they in here?
I don't know, man, but she's starting to look good as fuck.
Yeah.
You got them over here in the handy dandy workmobile?
I don't know. The thing's usually got a ton of stuff in it.
Holy fuck, dude.
Well, the gas gauge stopped working, so I carry a Gatorade bottle full of gas around with me.
Oh, good thing.
I have to get somewhere.
Just in case you gotta get somewhere.
Yeah, in case I run out of gas. Let's go check Beatrice's house, but it's raining. She's not in, but...
Well, you're a bright idea. Let's leave shit out.
I don't know, dude. We're gonna... Wait, I guess... We'll be back in a minute. We gotta go locate some screws. What?
We're back now. Let's go.
We're back, okay, we're back now. It's raining on us, as usual. So I couldn't find any, like, of the proper screws, but I found some sheetrock screws. This wouldn't be a JDM import car project without them. Everybody knows you use sheetrock screws for the best fit and finish.
That's right.
They pull up nice and tight, you know, the coarser thread and all that.
Yep.
Luckily we only need like 2 of them, so. But we are gonna put a couple extras in for safekeeping because, ow!
That's bright. You're fucking shit up.
That hurt. If I stabbed myself in the eye with it.
Yeah, that'd be
God,
genius.
dang it. This is a very rugged material, this lip, because my sheetrock screws don't exactly slide through like butter. I had to like, you know, I had to help it. Everybody knows that sheetrock screws are life, okay? Like, you can't work on a car without sheetrock screws.
That makes sense.
Ow!
Dude, you're fucking it all up.
No, I'm not.
She all tight and...
I got one more little gap I gotta close. One more little gap. And then we'll give them a little teaser if they've sat here this long and watched us do this about the pipe we're gonna do later tonight. You know?
Yeah, dude.
That's dope. And well, give them a little walk around.
Huh?
Give them a little walk around with it. Show them what it looked like. There you have it. That was a quickie.
That was fun. Quick deal.
Subaru Impreza front lip install.
Yep.
They did supply some hardware, but not enough of it. So we had to use a couple sheetrock screws.
I mean, they did give us push clips, but you know.
Yeah, they did give us the push clips, which I still got to crawl underneath and put in if they fit now. I had put zip ties where they were supposed to go because I anticipated that we had to go buy some. These bugs, they're awful.
Dude, I'm telling you, dude,
But,
fuck these goddamn cows.
I'll give you a little sneak peek of what we're doing later today. I'm going to edit this video, post it up, so I have room on my phone because my memory's getting low. Over there.
Better hurry up. Oh, you got 10 seconds, bitch.
Alright, so we're going to put wheels in Gabby's car. They're purple. They're sweet looking. It's going to be stand-step.